Sir, yung sir dun sa blank
Oh.
items doon sa BICAM report. Sir, kayo member kayo ng BICAM, tapos pumirma din kayo. Sir, napansin ba kayo na mga blanco and posible ba yun, sir, na mangyari?
Una, gusto kong sabihin as a member of the BICAM, and what I signed is a full bicameral conference committee report. So lahat nandun, may mga items tayong nakita. Number two, kung kukwestiyonan mo kasi yung constitutionality, hindi yung BICAM report, kundi yung batas eh. So that's basic for all of us. I think all of you are aware of that. So kung kukwestiyonin mo yun, yung batas, hindi yung BICAM report. Anyone is free to go to the Supreme Court and question its constitutionality. But I for one would say na yung wala akong nakita na blanco. Wala akong nakitang blanco whatsoever. But hindi ko rin sinasarado yung mga rumors na naririnig natin na may mga ilan na wala pang item, no? Kaya in the name of transparency, binabanggit natin kanina dun sa speech natin when we received the award, napakahalaga ng accountability and transparency. Kaya